Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day from one of the most ancient Pratihara period temple complex, which is known as Nareshwar or Naresara. This temple complex is situated around 15 kilometers away from Gwalior, and it comes in Morana district. So as we can see, there's a creek, and on the top of the creek, the whole temple complex has been carved out. So this we can see there's a lot of temple remains and structures, and this one is one of the most prominent temple structure of this site. There's a little bit appearance of Vallabhi art also visible, as we can see on Teli Ka Mandir on Gwalior. So this is a structure is later addition of around 16th century. But this temple complex has a lot of things to tell about the earliest formation of what you can say temple architecture. All these temples are basically Shaivite temples. So what is very unique about this site is, as we can see, there is a carved out place, and there is a what you can say Yoni Pitham built on the rock, and we can see there is a waterway coming out. So all these temples has been carved on the same. These temples are built on such platforms, and that is why they are not very much powerful. And previously in backside there's around 20 or 15 to 20 temple bases are located. So they are also like filled off because there's no strengthness is provided over here, and that is why this architecture is known as the one of the most starting phase of temple architecture. As we can see the here we can see the we can see there's a typical Pratihara period there's a shivling where we can see the shaft and all, and this the Ganesha. So yeah, if Ganesha is here, so it's Shiva temple, and we can find out the this thing also. So these are later destroyed by the people, but there were a lot of what you can say river goddesses has been described. So this is Brahma, this one. So these are the temples, and this we can see this whole place was carved out, and there were more structures, but due to their debris right now they are not visible. And even I am also standing on a ancient temple complex. So again as I have talked about some more temple complexes, these are the overview of the temple complexes which are carved out in various sandstones. This one is the main temple of the complex, which is of Sati or Sakta temple. This temple is the very first temple when you visit the very site, and this is the geographical location of the site. And these are the structures bases which I was talking about earlier. These actually shows how they were how well engineered they were, and how they were carved the actually waterways, water channels, and etc. So these are the very primitive type of architecture, very early, not primitive but very early type of architecture which we can see. And this these temple structure is way before than the Bateshwar temple structure of Morana. So we can see the development of the art. And now with this overview, what we can see how well they have carved out the complete temple complex, and how they have built it out. This one is of Kartikeya. This sculpture is of Kartikeya, and again this is Nandi, inscribed Nandi sculpture. Again Ganesha. After Ganesha there will be again this one is Kartikeya. And now this picture is of the inside temple, where we can see the Mahishmardani sculpture, which was the main sculpture. Now this one is of Durga, which is on the ala of the main temple. And this sculpture is of Yamuna, as we can see a tortoise, and this one is from Ganga, where we can see the Makar. Again, this is Ganesha sitting. This one is one of the very unique Shivlinga Yonipeetham I have seen, and again, so mostly the temple complexes has the Shav and Shakt type of what you can say sculptures. Very few Vaishnavite sculptures we can actually see from over here, and as we can see, this one is Bhairav, and Bhairav is again related to the Shiva. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.